Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. Over time, the edging around mulch and flower beds erodes and needs to be redefined. To do this, we offer the Echo BRD 2620 Bed Maintainer, also known as a bed redefiner. It not only makes your job easier, but it's 7 times faster than using a shovel. The maintainer cuts a crisp, beveled groove along the bed edge, leaving a professional manicured finish. Before you get started, as with any lawn equipment, we recommend that you wear the proper protective gear, including safety glasses, ear protection, durable gloves, long pants, long-sleeved shirt, and sturdy work boots. When you're ready to begin, check the work area and remove any debris or objects that could be thrown by the blade. You're now ready to start the unit. Lay the bed maintainer on the ground, keeping the blade clear of all obstacles. Never try to start the maintainer by holding it in one hand and pulling the starter rope with the other. You could lose control of the tool and possibly injure yourself or others. While the unit is laying on the ground, move the stop switch to the run position. And then move the choke lever to the cold start position. Next, locate the purge bulb. Pump the purge bulb until fuel is visible. Then, pump the bulb an additional 4 or 5 times. Keeping the unit on a flat surface, firmly grasp the handle and throttle trigger lockout with your left hand. Fully depress the throttle trigger to the wide open position. Rapidly pull the recoil starter rope until the engine fires, or a maximum of 5 pulls. After the engine fires, move the choke lever to the run position. Release the throttle trigger and allow the unit to warm up at idle for several minutes. If the engine does not run after 5 pulls, repeat the steps we just went through to initially start the maintainer. Now, firmly grip the throttle handle with your right hand and grip the support handle with your left. To start, position your body at a 45-degree angle to the unit. With the engine running at full throttle, lower the blade gently into the area to be redefined. Walk outside the bed with your body turned towards the engine. You'll pull the cutting claw along the edge behind you, but make sure you're watching where you're going to avoid tripping. Keep your eye on the blade while still looking for any obstacles or changes in terrain. Do not walk backwards. Move the cutting claw only as conditions allow and never force the blade as you move. Never push the cutting claw forward. If you feel the performance decreases or the engine speed drops, just slow your walking speed or decrease the blade depth and allow the engine RPM to return to normal before continuing. If the shield clogs with mud or debris, stop the engine by releasing the throttle and pushing the stop switch into the stop position. With the unit on the ground, disconnect the spark plug wire. Then, using a suitable tool such as a brush, unclog the shield. Never hit the unit against any hard surface to clean it, as this may damage it. Always follow these best operating practices. Maintain a 50-foot safety zone around you as you work. Always turn off the engine if anyone approaches you, and be sure you direct debris away from windows, parked vehicles, buildings, and bystanders. When you're finished, release the throttle trigger and allow the engine to return to idle before shutting it off. Once your maintainer is idling, move the stop switch to the stop position. Prior to returning the tool back to the Home Depot Rental Center, be sure to clean any debris or mud from the shield and blade area with a brush or low-pressure garden hose to avoid any additional cleaning charges. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.